You and your brother Chellappa when joined in our shop, then only we got also developed. That is why our Madura branch we given to him. After this advertisement, our shop will grow very fastly.
Definitely happen, sir.
That will definitely
For
happen.
this all reason, our Malarkodi only.
Everything your wish, sir.
Yeah, he is coming. Come.
Welcome, Prem.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, Prem.
Hi, sir.
Greetings, sir.
Come, we'll go inside.
Thank
Come.
you.
Come.
Why this umbrella?
For you, madam. If sunlight attacks you, you will get tanned, right?
Madam.
Yes, hello.
Please come in.
Madam,
My God, where are you?
madam, I am Prem. May I come in?
Come in.
Greetings, madam. Sorry for the disturbance. Myself, Prem, Roja TV Comparer.
Oh,
I am here for an ad film.
I see.
Tomorrow in the ad film, I am going to act with you only.
I've heard about your live program before. I've seen it also. You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Please take your
Yeah,
seat.
Thank you, ma'am. It's okay.
Actually, I only travel by flight. But here there's no airport, so I had to come by car.
I am your big fan, madam. You have done so many movies. I almost watched all of them.
Hey, you also drink, right?
No, madam. No, I don't want.
You drink or you don't?
It's okay.
Yeah, then take it.
How many people fainted after seeing your smile now? I am also one of among them, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, enough, madam.
Here.
Thank you very much, madam.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I have lakhs of fans,
Yeah, I know.
but I can't keep track of who is where.
Madam, you're such a beauty. What a color. Just give me your hand, madam. Give it.
Why?
This is not just hand. This is a silk bed.
Hey.
Madam, I will fall at your feet, madam.
Hey, what are you doing? Get up. What are you doing? What is all this? I've been in this field for 10 years. I've seen all kinds of people from short heroes to tall. Why? I've seen latest comedians to multilingual villains also. You mean nothing to me. Shit. Now itself, you're growing stage. Try to succeed. Everything else will follow you at the right time. We have shoot tomorrow. Go and prepare for it. Concentrate on your work, please. Tomorrow we'll meet and shoot. Go. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Night shoot itself is, oh my God.
Hi, madam. Sorry.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is this concept okay?
Yeah. Concept is good only.
Okay, madam.
The concept he is saying.
Ready?
The concept is that Selva Ganapati store, Navakkal district's very best store. Selva Ganapati store. in every festival season, the best place to purchase dress is Selva Ganapati store. Hear it clearly. Christmas, Pongal, Diwali, in every festival, you can go with the most beautiful place, Selva Ganapati store. Madam, you are a famous person, so do it very good, okay? Prem, just do it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay,
Ready?
sir.
Okay? Start camera.
The
best textile store in Namakkal,
Selva Ganapati Textile Store.
For Diwali, for Pongal, for Christmas. The only best store you can buy, Selva Ganapati Textile Store.
Very, very thank you, ma'am. After this ad, I had the confidence that our shop will grow very fastly, ma'am. Hereafter, you are the permanent model of our company.
Thank you.
Dude, he looks handsome.
Hey, he's not at all more handsome than me, man.
I'm very happy, ma'am. Shooting went very well. You are the reason for all this. Thanks a lot, Malar.
Oh, that's all okay, sir.
Hi, Prem.
Hello, sir.
Actually, I met you only because the reason is Malar.
Oh, hello.
Greetings.
Prem, she's biggest fan of you. Malar,
Oh, is it?
Prem, definitely after the shoot, you have to come to our house.
Yeah, welcome, definitely.
You have to come to our homes also, Prem.
Sure, sir.
I just came for only for my Malara. That happiness is enough for me, da. Okay, let's go, come.
Yes, I'm coming.
Come dear. Do you understand who is this?
No.
His name is Prem.
Oh.
He is the anchor in Project TV.
Uh-huh.
He is acted in our silk store.
Oh, is that so?
So he's just visited our home.
Hello.
Greetings,
Hello.
auntie.
Why all this formality?
Okay, auntie, take it.
He want to give some gift for us. Malar? Malar? See, who is here?
Coming, Dad.
Do you know him?
Hi, Malar.
Good morning.
Auntie, here's a small and sweet gift for you. And this gift is for Malar. You take it.
Why so much trouble? Every year for Diwali and Pongal, we keep getting gifts from the store. Why did you purchase all
Oh
this?
no, don't mistake me for someone else. I got this advertisement only because of Malar. So I have to do something now.
You guys talk, I'll be back.
Okay, auntie.
Sit down,
Huh.
son. Sit down, Malar.
Uncle, your men took good care of me during shooting.
Oh, I see.
I like this place very much.
That's very good. Because our village is very good. Here is a Shivan's temple. Very famous temple. That temple constructed in Hindu Mannar time. That Gopura, who made you know that?
Who is it?
You know the person in your industry.
Huh.
Musical maestro.
Oh
Ilayaraja.
God.
Here, take this.
Okay.
Have some, my dear.
Take some.
Thanks, auntie. Wow, I have never tasted such a tasty snack in my life. Super taste, auntie. When did you...
What?
Just a joke.
Okay, son. You will spend time. I want to go to the shop, okay? Dear, you want to do one thing. Take him to the Shivan temple, okay? Do you understand?
Okay,
that?
Dad.
Okay, dear. I will
Surely.
come back.
Yeah.
Dear, where is my bag on the table?
Yes, it's kept there only.
Okay, auntie. I'm leaving. It's getting late.
Okay.
Send Malar soon. I have to go.
Surely. Yeah. Okay. Where are you going? No need of going alone. Your friends are here, no? Take them along. He's a young boy acting in TV. Everybody will misunderstand you guys.
Auntie!
Yeah, she's coming.
You don't have any other work, Mom?
Hey,
The pillar is very nice here.
oh my
Everything is
God,
handmade
seriously?
here. Very, very
I didn't
special.
expect that.
Do you see this?
Huh.
Everything is taken care of very well.
Oh.
Yes. Not only that, can't you see the structure?
Huh.
This structure was built by the Chola kings.
Wow. Beautiful. What a beautiful building.
There are so many things inside. You'll be amazed.
Is it? Come on, let's go.
Come, let's go. This is Lingat power. Very powerful god.
Oh.
This tree is 500 years old.
Oh. Is it?
It has seen 5 generations.
Oh my God.
Do you know the name of this flower?
I don't know.
It's called Nagalinga flower.
I like Lingeshwaran. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, okay.
Come, let's go.
If you like it, I like it too.
I'm
in
leaving.
a hurry.
I
Can't you
need
wait
to
for
go
some more
home.
time?
Let's you both spend time. Why should we interrupt? Okay?
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye.
Necklace. Oh, the lips. Aha, nose. I think she's taking the photo with an hangover of drinking.
What are you looking at?
Any phone number on the body?
Huh? Are we doing any prostitution here? Go and sit. Huh? Look at his face. Well, why did you come here?
I want to become a scriptwriter.
Do you know English well?
What a question is this? I am expert in language.
Huh?
I will tell
Huh?
you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
Hey, what are you saying? Are you studying in a nursery school? Why are you saying this here? Are you fluent in English like a news reader?
Oh, the news reading.
Yes.
TV. Okay, I will. Good morning, everyone.
Ah.
The everyone,
Ah.
you in the peoples of the Independence Day of something. Between, How are you? I am
Huh?
the peoples. Okay.
Don't you have any ambassador car? I will kill you. How can we get rich if you speak Malayalam in an English channel?
Sir, that's why you don't understand. In Tamil channel, Telugu news is everyone seeing.
Huh?
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 I want to read in Tamil.
Ah.
okay? You all of in front of the TV. I will read news. The superhero Jiva.
Ah. Who is that Jiva?
Hero.
Oh, our Jiva. Ah.
He is acting as a lead character. He is very good in everything. The movie is releasing on Diwali. You must watch, okay?
Hey, what did I do to you? I am working in a TV channel. I am not disturbing anyone. Don't you like that? Do you want to lose my job?
Do you give me a job or what?
You don't have any job here. Please leave this place. Huh? Hey, why are you showing the knife?
Do you give me job?
Hey, I won't give you a job whatever you show.
Do you don't give me job? Then take the knife, okay?
I am not afraid. I am not even afraid of gun and he is showing me knife. Bloody fool.
Hi, Prem. Where are you? Are you busy?
No, madam. Just eating. Sorry, madam. Any urgent matter to call at this time?
I felt like seeing you. That's why.
Tell me, madam. I will come. Where should I come?
Anita Towers, Ganapati Street, T Nagar. Okay?
Okay, madam. Hey, dude. Wait, I will come upstairs and talk to you.
Engineer, sir. One pillar there, one pillar here. 20 feet height. We have to set up our gym above that.
Okay,
Our
madam.
gym should be visible from anywhere in this area. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam. Madam, those materials and all.
No. Contract. When will you finish? How much do you want?
Madam, 50 lakhs, madam. We will finish in 2.5 months.
No. 70 lakhs. Finish it in 1.5 months. Are you okay with that? Okay, Prem.
Okay, ma'am. You're a big shot, madam. Will the gym run successfully in that area?
It has to. Otherwise, I'll make it happen. We can also meet here regularly, right? Okay, Prem. See you in the evening. Bye.
Sorry, dude. It was an important call.
At least tell me now, who is that Kanjana?
She is like a treasure to me. Living with plenty of wealth, you know. She is helping us with giving money, dude.
Hey, Prem. This is a collaboration with rich people and she is a woman. We don't want it.
What is it, dude? It comes by its own way.
Buddy, I am saying this for your good. You are telling this coming in our own way and tomorrow it will turn into a big trouble. You careful.
Hey, get lost.
I can only say, can I hit him with a stick?